Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change language on your Solflare Wallet app. To change language on your Solflare Wallet, open up the Solflare application and make sure that you're inside the home page of your wallet. Once you're in, tap on the gear button at the bottom right-hand corner. This will open up settings where you will need to tap on General. Now, tap on the language option and select a different language you want to change to for your wallet from the list. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display language setting. You can always get back to the same location and change to a different language of your choice whenever needed. So that's how you easily change your language setting on your Solflare application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.